19th century, and in Papiamento we call it a house of yerba or a house of Kas di Pali Maishi. Why? Because one of the characteristics of this house is that the roof is made from corn stalk, and in it you will find the adaptations of a Western African style of housing, but also a certain aspect of the indigenous way of living. This museum, this place has been a museum for a long time, but it had deteriorated, and so with the help of the Curaçao Monument Foundation and Foundation Museo Tula, we want to restore it and give it a new image and go to a higher level, in the sense that it will be both a living history and also open air museum. But for that to happen, we need also your financial help. Now, why we say it is living history? Because in this museum you will be able to touch things, move with things, experience certain way of living, because the theme of this museum is daily life around a Kunuku house. And not only in the house, but also around the house. This project is not only for the Curaçaoan people as an educational project, knowing our identity, knowing our historical past, but it is also a project where we have that an encounter with the tourist, with the foreigner, about who we are. And thirdly, it is also an international project of the African diaspora, in the sense that people of African descent can also interact with each other and know each other from their history and their historical past. So for those three reasons, it is very important that you help us to make it happen, to make it possible. Inside, we still need to put the original aspect of the corn stalk. That is in process, while we already at the outside have covered the roof as it should be. But with your help, we can continue with that. With your help, we can also do the construction of the corn stalk inside. One of the interactive activities that we do here at this museum is the grinding of the corn. And we sing also, that is part of the work songs that was done since time of enslavement. It goes like this. Bati pilong, ha! Chawela pilong, ha! Batie, ha! The ha sound. Bati pilong, ha! Chawela pilong, ha! Batie, ha! Bati pilong, ha! Chawela pilong, ha!